Hello. This video is all about how music and movement help your body and your mind and your heart feel better. So we're going to start with this catchy song. I did not write it. It was shared with me from another family, and I love it. And it is wonderful. It helps regulate your breath, which means you breathe in and then you sing a long phrase for your exhale. And then you breathe in and you sing another long phrase for your exhale. So it helps you breathe. And the more you breathe, the more the oxygen gets in your blood and travels through your body and makes everything work better. And we're going to add some movement to it. Sometimes there will be finger tapping. Sometimes there will be squeezing. Just follow along and do the movement with me. Once you know the song, please sing along. And it is my goal that this song will get stuck in your head and you won't even realize it, and you'll find yourself moving through your day and singing it because it's great. It's called an affirmation or a mantra. And when you say an affirmation, it creates a deep groove in your brain and it helps you think that positive thought of whatever your mantra or affirmation is. And when you add it to a melody or make it a song, then your whole brain lights up because music is magic and it awakens everything inside you. So here's my song. I'm going to start by stroking my arms. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. And I'm going to sing it again, but I'm going to squeeze my arm. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. Now we're going to get super fancy with the next moves. We're going to do head, shoulders, cross back. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. And just for fun, let's do a standing up version. We'll start by twisting. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. And of course, you can make up your own movements to go with this song. I hope it's stuck in your head. I'll see you somewhere else in my house for the next activity. Hello, welcome to my hallway. I'm going to run all the way back there to the recycling bins. And I'm going to snap my fingers and tons of magic, invisible spider webs are going to appear in my hallway. And it is my job to climb through them without touching them because I don't want to get tangled up in cobwebs. I don't know if you've been on any walks lately and the cobwebs just surprise you and they're all over you and you get all stuck. Yeah. Well, I don't want that to happen here. So I'm going to practice with my music, creeping up and down and over and around the cobwebs, the spider webs, so that I don't touch them and they don't touch me. And I want you to watch how I do it, and then you'll get a chance to do it too. So I'm going to snap my fingers and start the music when I'm down there. Oh, look at those cobwebs! Oh, there's so many! Here I go! Right through the cobwebs, Alistair. Nice and slow. Down low. Oh. I made it. Now it's your turn. Run all the way to the other end of your room. And make your way back here. Ready? Magic cobwebs! Go! Watch out for that one! Nice and slow! Thanks for helping me, Alistair. Did you make it? I'm so glad. Feel free to do it as many times as you want. And I found this really fun music on Spotify. It's called Music for Modern Dance Class. Or you can look up African drum music. That's really cool too. Enjoy this spider moving activity.